impression of the board. It's really nice. I like the seamless approach. To show you guys side. Ooh. The side. Alright, I like the back. I really love the back piece. This is so clean. But yeah, I like this finishing touch. I really like this. I went for the stiffer socks, so it doesn't turn, it doesn't bounce as much. Mac. Carbon fiber is a go. Yo, it's not bad. I hecking love this. Verdict, it's a really beautiful board. Lower angle, macro column. It's fairly easy to put together. You don't really need a guide. Just take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding it together. Pop! Your gold coolest board in 2022.